Hi guys, I'm Nora. Welcome to Ningbo Manshan. Now I will show this product, triple corner cable roller. Our corner cable roller assembly is designed with 3 flexible rollers. And in accordance with the requirement, multiple assembly sets can be combined together to form arbitrary turning angle. It can be used in most cable laying applications. This can be used singularly or linked together using link pins to form a full band. All the band roller range have the same link points to facilitate a various band or roller configuration, and the surface can be painted or galvanized. The roller can be made of nylon, aluminum or stainless. And we also have many different models for these products. Their related load are all 10 kN, and the applicable cable diameter are 120, 150, or 200 millimeters. Surely its color can be customized. So welcome to search our website for details, and please feel free to consult.